Hello my dear viewers, my name is Mario and today I will talk about a little bit about the bay leaf tea. What will happen in your body if you drink a bay leaf tea for the 30 consecutive days. This is going to be very important and interesting topic. At the end of the show I will give you a wonderful recipe and information on how you should drink this tea for the greatest health benefits. Bay leaf has been used for the thousands of years for the health and culinary purposes. It has an essential chemical composition that improves health. Bay leaf grows on the group of evergreen plants that belongs to the plant family called Luraceae. These plants produce aromatic leaves that are used in cooking and for other purposes. They are available whole, fresh, dried or ground into the powder. When you think about it, bay leaf, his origin is Mediterranean area and Europe. The most known bay leaf tea and the plant that produces this tea is called Turkish bay leaf tea. We also have Californian, Indonesian, West Indian and Mexican bay leaf tea. So bay leaf had many compounds that is so good for our health. It contains a large quantity of minerals, vitamins and essential oils. When we talk about it, the plant contains more than 80 identified compounds, including polyphenols, eucalyptol, cyanol, sabinen and linalool. Bay leaf is rich in vitamin C. 100 grams of bay leaf provides 46 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 77.5% of our recommended daily dose. Bay leaf also is source of vitamin A and has contained minerals such calcium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, iron, selenium and copper. And what will happen in your body when you take bay leaf for the 13 days? First things is going to happen to you, it will be reduction of the inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the main cause why you're getting sick of many diseases. So when you drink this tea, you get lower inflammation in your body. The bay leaf has wonderful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, especially against Escherichia coli and Salmonella. This tea boosts immunity, and this tea improves the function of the heart and the blood vessels. Anyone who wants to quickly solve upper respiratory tract infections, I will gladly recommend you to drink bay leaf tea. Upper respiratory tract infections means that you have problem in the nose, in the mouth, in the throat, like cold, flu, sinusitis and some typical problems that are in the upper respiratory tract. Bay leaf tea is so important in this form. So the next thing that you need to know, this tea helps you to lose excess weight quickly and healthy. Bay leaf has been shown to have antifungal properties. Bay essential oil protects you from the Candida. In addition to fighting Candida, in studies it was shown that bay leaf, which was used as an extract and is dressing for the wound healing. The assessment of the use of the bay leaf extraction shows that both of the leaves and the fruit of the Laurus nobilis plant are capable of fighting breast cancer. Most important thing about the bay leaf that it had very powerful anti-cancer properties. In today's world, when the cancer is grown each year, the best natural way for us to get healthy is practice intermittent fasting. This is my first book that I was written about it. And of course, you take this kind of plants and this is kind of stuff like bay leaf tea is going to help you to fight against cancer. This tea helps you control diabetes and digestive problem naturally. Bay leaves can affect your gastrointestinal system by preventing damage of the stomach and stimulating urination. It helps you release toxins in the body and help with the kidney health. Within bay leaves are certain organic compounds that contain enzymes that can help you calm stomach upsets, protects against kidney stones, and reduce symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome, such as bloating and gas. In the short, bay leaf tea is very important for our digestive systems. The bay leaf tea is going to give you a lot of energy, it's going to give you a mental clarity, and also help you, your heart, your liver, and also it's going to help your kidneys and much more. The bay leaf tea is going to help you. How do you make the bay leaf tea? I will give you my special recipe. Ingredients: 2 dried bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon or 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 300 milliliters of water, juice of the half lemon, 1 small tablespoon of honey. Instructions: add the leaves and the cinnamon to water and cook for about 10 minutes. Stain, let it cool for the 10 minutes. Now add the juice of the half lemon and 1 small spoon of honey if you want. So we combine bay leaf, we combine cinnamon, special Ceylon cinnamon, and added a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of honey, and this is perfect tea for you. So if you drink this tea for 30 days, you will get a lot healthier and much more better body functions. Thank you for watching me. See you next time.